So on one of my recent trips at Costco, I found this bag with Disney Pixar movie characters, some of the most popular movies. The bag is created by Mattel, put together by Mattel. The quality of the toys, it's amazing. I think I'm going to use this bag for my son's kinder friends. I bought about 6 bags and I'm just going to open one of the bags with you guys just so we can see what's inside and all get excited. So let's do it. So number 1 of the 35 surprise toys, we have Randall. Randall is a very interesting character in Monsters Inc. And also Monsters University. Bag number 2. So I'm so excited. Who do we have in bag number 2? We have Dash, Jack's brother from the Incredibles. The details on these toys are incredible. Bag number 3. Oh wow! So in bag number 3 from the movie Nemo, we have Mr. Bruce, the scary shark. A bit friendly in the beginning, but not so friendly after. So my camera is really not working too well today. I wish you would see the details. I'm so impressed. Bag number 4. Who do we have? Oh, we have the dinosaur, Rex from Toy Story 1, 2, 3 and 4. The really silly dinosaur. Bag number 5. Wow, what was the chance? Right after Rex we have Woody. As well, Toy Story 1, 2, 3 and 4, the main character. Bag number 6. Oh, Mr. Incredible from the Incredibles. It's Dash's father. Bag number 7. Aww, we have Boo from Monsters Inc. The little baby who escapes from the real world and gets into the monsters world, and she gets very good friends with Sally. Bag number 8. Woody again. So we definitely gonna find a couple of doubles. Bag number 9. Oh wow, Hector Rivera from Coco. I hope you're going to watch if you haven't yet. It's an incredible movie. Very good story. Bag number 10. What do we have? We have Sally. Sally is the scary monsters, but a very friendly one from Monsters Inc. and Monsters University, Boo's friend. Bag 11. In bag 11 we have Merida from Brave. I have only watched once. I don't remember a lot of details from this movie. I'm gonna watch it again. Bag number 12. In bag number 12 we have Rose. I can't believe we have Rose. Rose is the grumpy secretary that gives a lot of hard time to Mike Wazowski. That's so funny. I need to watch this movie again. Bag number 13. Who do we have? Oh, Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bag number 14. We have Violet from The Incredibles, Dash's sister. Bag number 15. Who do we have? Boo again. She's so cute. Bag number 16. I'm so excited. Who do we find? Who is it? Miguel from Coco. His adventure, it's just incredible, and it's such a good movie. You guys have to watch it if you haven't yet. It's really worth it. Bag number 17, and number 17 has Sally again. Sally from Monsters Inc. and Monsters University. Bag number 18. Bag number 18 has Mike Wazowski. Mike Wazowski, it's Sully's friend, and the one that Rose gives a lot of hard time with his paperwork. Bag number 19. Mike Wazowski again. What was the chance to have them one after another? Both doubles. Bag number 20. Aw, baby Jack from The Incredibles. Oh, he's so cute. Bag number 21. And we have Merida again. And that's just another reminder for me to watch the movie. Bag number 22. In bag number 22, we have Marlin from Nemo and Dory. It's Nemo's father and Dory's best friend. And it's so funny because I'm relaying the most to Marlin when it's about parenting. Bag number 23, we have Jack again. Bag number 24, Buzz Lightyear once again. Bag number 25, wow, Elastigirl. We have Elastigirl too, so it's almost the entire family. Is it the entire? Yes, we do. We have the entire family. So The Incredibles all together. Bag number 26. Oh, we have Forky. We have Forky, the crazy fork from Toy Story 4. It's such an amazing adventure. You guys should watch this movie. Bag number 27. Wow, Eve! Oh my god, Eve! I gotta watch this movie again. It's from the movie WALL-E. Very cool movie, and for all ages. Bag number 28. What was the chance to have them one after another? WALL-E, the robot WALL-E. It's an incredible lesson for all the kids to keep hoping and do your best. So WALL-E, please watch it. Bag number 29, Catching Up. Elastigirl once again. So 10 of these toys are doubling up. Bag number 30. Oh, finally we have Nemo. I think this is one of my favorite movies and one of my favorite characters of all times. Teaches little kids so many good things. Bag number 31. Oh, Nemo again. My son is going to be happy. The more the merrier. Bag number 32. Oh, little Bo Peep. She has such a transformation from the Toy Story 1 to Toy Story 4. She's a completely different girl with a new attitude. I was so surprised to see she got a bigger part in a movie. Bag number 33. Who do we have? We have Squirt. That's a little turtle from Nemo movie. I wish you guys find this bag. I'm not sure if it's only in Costco or you can find it somewhere else. But they're such a cute toys. They have the details on them. Literally, it's like it's coming from the actual movie. So I'm very impressed, and I think the kids, my son's friends, are going to be impressed when they get these gifts for their birthdays. Bag number 34. Who do we have? Oh, we have Dory. Dory from Nemo and Dory. I'm so happy I have it. I was worried we're not gonna have it. Really great to see it. The details are so good. And the last bag, bag number 35. These bags are so nice and easy to open. We have Dory again. I'm very happy we have two Dorys. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. So there you go, guys. You have all 35 toys from some of the most popular Disney Pixar movies. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you guys come again and join us with new adventures. Please subscribe and let us know what you think about our videos. Thank you.